Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to EBS Home School. This is Shahjadi Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take a physics class for class 9 students. My dear students, our today's topic is Chapter 4, ExC Q4 and 5. Today's lecture number 9 and SW number 4. Now, we will start our class. Today we will solve ExC Q4 and 5. Okay, at first CQ4, see the stem. If an object of mass for 10 kg is lifted 10 meter in 15 seconds using a motor of 1000 watt. I am repeating, if an object of mass 10 kg is lifted 10 meter in 15 seconds using a motor of 1000 watt, that means here given the mass of that object is 10 kg and it is lifted from 10 meter, that means height here given, height h given 10 meter and time is 15 seconds. By using a motor, that means the power of motor here also given is 1000 watt. So, my dear students, question number B, today we will solve question number B, C and D from this CQ. Okay, in this CQ, question number B, explain the dimension of power. Question number C, what is the amount of energy wasted, and question number D is what is its efficiency. So, first of all, we will solve question number B, explain the dimension of power. The dimension of power, we know the formula of power, power equals to work divided by time. So, my dear students, we will solve this question number B now. We know power equals to work divided by time. Okay. So, now we will find out the dimension of work. So, work equals to, we know the formula of work is force into displacement. Okay, force into displacement, and again force, we know force is F equals to ma. Force is F equals to ma, that means mass into acceleration. So, write mass into acceleration and into displacement. Then mass into acceleration means displacement divided by time square. Displacement divided by time square. Okay. Whole square. Okay, then mass into displacement whole square divided by to displacement. Okay, then displacement into displacement, that means displacement whole square divided by time whole square. So, we can write mass is m into displacement L square divided by time means t square. So, we can write like this, m L square per t square. Okay, this is the dimension of work. Okay, this is the dimension of work. Then write the power equals to work divided by time, that means power P equals to, the dimension of power P equals to work, that means m L square per t square divided by time, that means t. So, write m L square per minus 2 minus 1, that means minus 3, it will be minus 3. So, m L square per inverse TQ. Okay, this is the dimension of power. Okay, my dear students, next we will solve question number C. Question number C. What is the amount of energy wasted? So my dear students, at first you have to write what is the given in the stem. Here in the stem given, their mass of that object is 10 kg. Mass of that object 10 kg. Here given height equals to 10 meter and time given 15 second. Okay, 15 second, and power also given here. The power also given 1000 watt. So at first we have to find out what is the amount of energy wasted. So at first we have to find out the work done by that object. So work done by that object, that means work equals to mgh. The formula of work equals to mgh. So now put the value. M means 10 kg. M means 10 kg, G means 9.8 meter per second square, and H means 10 meter. Okay, so do the multiplication. 10 into 9.8 into 10, that means it will be 980 joule. Okay, this is the value of work. So now we will find out the energy given. What is energy given? Energy equals to power into time. Okay, energy equals to power into time. This is the formula of energy. Okay, power into time. So here given the power is 1000 watt into time also given 15 second. Okay, so 1000 into 15 equals to 15,000. The unit of energy is joule. So energy is 15,000 joule. Now we will find out the energy wasted. How much energy is wasted? Okay, so energy wasted equals to energy given minus work done. Energy given minus work done. So energy given here 15,000 joule minus work done 980 joule. Okay, so it will be 14020 joule. Okay, this is the question number C, the answer of question number C. So what is the amount of energy wasted? So we have got that energy wasted is 14,020 joule. Now we will solve question number D. Question number D. What is its, the question number D is what is its efficiency? So we have to find out of that object's efficiency, and we know, first of all, we know that formula of efficiency is efficiency equals to amount of work divided by energy given into 100%. Okay, now amount of work, we have found that amount of work here given 980 joule. Okay, 980 joule, just put the value. Okay, and energy given is 15,000 joule. Okay, into 100%, that means it will be 6.53%. Okay, this is the value of efficiency. So my dear students, I hope all of you have understood question number C and D. Now come to ExC Q number 5, and stem is an electric motor of power 15 kilowatt can lifted 1000 kg water of a roof of height 30 meter in 0.5 minutes. My dear students, here given also the power of that motor is 15 kilowatt. That means you have to convert this kilowatt into watt. Okay, so 15 into 10 to the power 3 watt, and the mass of that object is 1000 kg. Here also given the height also h given 30 meter, and time given 0.5 minutes. So you have to convert this minute into second. So 0.5 into 60 second. Now question number C, calculate the efficiency of the motor. My dear students, similarly the extra CQ number 4, number C, you have to do this mathematical problem. Calculate the efficiency of that motor. That means the formula of efficiency is amount of work divided by energy given into 100%. That means you have to find out the amount of work. So amount of work, the formula of amount of work is W equals to mgh. Okay. So here given G, we know the value of G is 9.8 meter per second square and H also given 30 meter. So I think all of you have understood this mathematical problem. And question number D, analyze mathematically the amount of the work done. Then you have to find out energy given. Okay, energy given is power into time. So here given power and time also. So I think all of you have understood this question number C. And question number D, analyze mathematically the amount of energy used by the motor within that time of the efficiency is 75%. So my dear students, this is your SW question number C and D. SW number 7, extra CQ number 5, C and D. Do this as your SW and submit it on Saturday. My dear students, I hope all of you have understood this CQ 4 and 5 and practice properly at home. See you again in the next class. Allah Hafiz.